When DJI introduced the first Neo, it wasn't aiming to compete with its professional-grade drones like the Mini 4 Pro or Air 3. Instead, the original Neo served a very different purpose. It was launched as a beginner-friendly, palm-sized drone weighing only about 135 grams. At the time, this made it one of the smallest and lightest products DJI had ever released, targeting those who wanted something safe, simple, and fun to fly. With its fully unclosed propellers, the Neo was designed with safety in mind, making it usable indoors as well as outdoors. It wasn't about high-end features, it was about lowering the barrier to entry and showing that drones could be accessible to almost anyone. Despite its compact size, the Neo wasn't devoid of features. It offered a half-inch CMOS sensor, allowing users to capture 4K video at 30 frames per second in 12-megapixel stills. For casual drone pilots, this was more than enough to produce vibrant aerial content without the complexity of DJI's more advanced drones. With a flight time of roughly 18 minutes per charge and 22 GB of internal storage, the original Neo struck a balance between fun, safety, and practicality. Now, with the DJI Neo 2 looming on the horizon, the conversation has shifted. The question is no longer whether DJI will stick to the Neo's original formula, but rather how far the company is willing to push it. Recent leaks, FCC filings, and prototype images have given us a clearer idea of what to expect, and while much remains speculative, the overall picture suggests an exciting evolution for DJI's most beginner-friendly drone. One of the first credible pieces of evidence about the DJI Neo 2 came from an FCC filing, which revealed the model named EN225. Regulatory databases like the FCC often provide early glimpses of products before official announcements, and in this case, the most revealing detail was the drone's battery specification. According to the filing, the Neo 2 will use a 1660 mAh battery rated at 11.6 Wh at 7.16 V, compared to the smaller pack used in the original Neo. This represents a clear upgrade. Industry observers suggest this will likely push the Neo 2's flight time beyond the original's 18 minutes, potentially reaching 20 minutes or more under optimal conditions. While that may not sound like a dramatic improvement, in the world of ultralight drones, every extra minute matters. For beginners and casual creators, just a few more minutes of airtime can mean capturing that perfect shot before the battery runs out. Leaked prototype images of the DJI Neo 2 also point towards subtle but meaningful design changes. The propeller guards, already a defining safety feature of the original Neo, appear to have been redesigned for improved durability and aerodynamics. These changes not only enhance safety but may also improve flight stability and airflow, potentially making the drone quieter and more efficient. Like its predecessor, the Neo 2 is expected to remain under 250 grams, a critical weight threshold in many regions. Staying within this limit ensures the drone avoids certain registration or licensing requirements, making it accessible to a wider audience. DJI knows the importance of this market well. Ultralight drones are particularly attractive to beginners, families, and hobbyists who want to enjoy flying without navigating regulatory hurdles. By keeping the Neo 2 below 250 grams, DJI is ensuring it remains in that sweet spot of accessibility. While the original Neo's half-inch sensor was impressive for its size, enthusiasts are hopeful that the DJI Neo 2 will bring meaningful improvements to camera performance. Some rumors suggest better low-light performance, the ability to record 4K video at higher frame rates like 60 FPS, or enhanced image stabilization. Even if DJI sticks to a sensor of similar size, the company has a history of improving image quality through better processing algorithms and refined optics. This could translate into sharper, more vibrant images and smoother video footage, making the Neo 2 more appealing to casual content creators. While it is unlikely that the Neo line will directly compete with the Mini series in terms of professional-level imaging, incremental improvements would still align perfectly with its target audience. For beginners and vloggers, cleaner, steadier footage is far more valuable than professional-grade specs they might never fully use. The original Neo set itself apart with fully unclosed propeller guards, making it one of the safest drones in DJI's lineup. This made it particularly appealing for families, children, and anyone flying indoors. With the Neo 2, DJI seems to be refining this concept. Improved airflow and propeller guard design may lead to quieter operation, steadier flight, and better stability in varying conditions. Another area of speculation surrounds obstacle detection. The first Neo had very limited sensors compared to DJI's higher-end drones. While it would be ambitious to expect full omnidirectional obstacle avoidance in such a small device, it's possible DJI could add incremental improvements. Enhanced downward sensors for better indoor hovering or forward sensors for basic collision avoidance would make the Neo 2 significantly safer and easier for beginners to fly. The DJI Neo May 2 also bring changes in storage and connectivity. The original Neo came with 22 GB of internal memory, which was unusual in a world where most drones rely heavily on microSD cards. Some believe the Neo 2 could expand on this internal storage, while others expect DJI to maintain a similar capacity but improve data transfer speeds. Connectivity is another area where improvements are expected. Stronger transmission systems or more stable Wi-Fi links could allow smoother live video feeds to smartphones. This is an area where ultralight drones sometimes struggle due to interference or limited signal strength. A stronger connection would give users a more reliable first-person view while flying, enhancing both safety and creativity. The DJI Neo 2 represents the next chapter in DJI's mission to make drones more approachable. With a leaked 1,660 mAh battery promising longer flight times, a redesigned propeller guard system for safer and more stable operation, and rumors of camera and connectivity upgrades, the Neo 2 looks set to build on everything that made the original a success. While it won't compete directly with professional-grade drones, it doesn't need to. Instead, the Neo 2 is designed for beginners, travelers, families, and creators who want a safe, lightweight drone that's easy to use yet capable of producing impressive results. If DJI delivers on even a portion of the rumored improvements, the Neo 2 could become one of the most popular ultralight drones of its generation, balancing safety, portability, and performance in a way only DJI can.